Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you some beautiful hairstyle for the kids. So tie the hairs from the sides like this and follow the same procedure till the end. Now fix all the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top by making the plaits. Now take the hairs from the sides, join it on the back and rotate it. Now repeat the process for a few more times. Now at the end, we will tie the hairs together by making the plaits, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. Fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top. Tie it using a rubber band and fix it. Now on the rest of the hairs, make the plaits like this by taking the hairs from the sides. Divide the hairs and fix it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, tie the hairs from the top like this and make the plaits on it on the back. Now, take the hairs on the sides, make the plaits on both the sides and join it on the back and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this and join it on the back like this. Now, take the hair sections from the sides, keep joining it on the back and make the plaits on the sides. Tie the hairs together and it's ready. Next, take the rubber bands, join them like this one by one and make a tree shape like this. And then, fix the hairs together and it's ready. On the sides, tie the plaits on the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Join the hairs together, make the plaits and fold it upward and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Rotate the hairs like this. Now join them on the back together and fold it. Now tie the hairs like this by making the plaits on the sides and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then rotate it. Now fix them into each other and make a bow like this. Fix it using a rubber band. Now on the rest of the hairs, make the plaits and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.